How to fix unable to install Scarlet on iOS. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix unable to install Scarlet on iOS. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before you install Scarlet, you will need to tweak some settings. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings and scroll down till you find General. Tap on General. And under General, you'll find Software Update. Tap on it and make sure that you've updated to the latest version. After doing that, you can head back and scroll down, and there you'll see Date and Time. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure that you've set it to automatic. And after you've done that, you can head back again. There, scroll down again till you find VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN and Device Management. Now make sure that you're not connected to any VPN or you have not enabled any VPN. After doing that, you can head back. Now head over to your settings again, go back from General, and then scroll down till you find Screen Time. Tap on it, and after you're on Screen Time, scroll down. There you will see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. There you'll need to head over to iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure all of these are set to allow. After you've done that, you can just head back and restart your device. Now restart your device and reinstall the Scarlet app and you should be good to go. And that's basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.